Hey TCL crew, welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my newbies. Today I'm going to be doing a product review. This company sent me this facial Radiance Spin Care system, and I'm going to be showing you guys what it comes with and how I use it. So the Radiance Spin Care system, it comes with 4 interchangeable accessories. It comes with the facial exfoliation brush, it comes with a large body cleansing brush, a facial regular cleansing brush, and then it comes with a pumice stone that you can use for like your feet or dry areas on your skin. I've used the facial cleansing brush and the facial exfoliation brush, and they both work very well. I have yet to use the large body cleansing brush, but I do want to use that because the other two make my face feel very smooth. It helps with acne and it's just amazing. So if you would like to see what comes in this kit, stay tuned for this video. Sent me this kit is called Duvolle. It is the Radiance Spin Care system. And before I get started, if you would like to put an order in, I do have a 70% off code, and I will put the code on the screen right here. Yeah, the code is just my name, Taneja, and I'll put it right here with the correct spelling. You can use that code for 70% off your own skincare system. So an amazing deal, guys. So this is the base piece that it comes with. Feels good in your hands. A decent size. And it comes with 4 interchangeable pieces that this is waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. I'm going to show you the pieces. This is the cleansing brush. This is the exfoliating brush. This is the large body brush for all over body. And then this one is the pumice stone, which you can use for your feet or any other dry, rough areas that you have on your body. But this skincare spin system is amazing. It helps to the facial brushes and the exfoliating brush helps to remove the dirt, open up your pores, cleanse your pores. It helps to get rid of the extra oil, and it's just amazing. It leaves my skin feeling nice and soft. It's not too rough on my skin. It just has the right amount of spin, the right amount of texture to it, to where it's cleansing my face fully, but it's not damaging my skin because it's not rough on my skin. I don't use it every day, so the exfoliating part of the brush I try to use once a week unless I feel like I need it more for my skin. The regular brush I do use every other day. I don't really go outside too much. I do, I'm a stay-at-home mom, I homeschool my kids, and I also work from home, so not too much going out, so I don't need to deep clean my face every single day. But when I do is when I use the exfoliating brush. Otherwise, I just use the regular cleaning brush. It helps to remove dead skin. Like I said, open up them pores, cleanse the dirt, and in turn, it helps to minimize pores because you got all of that dirt out and that gunk out. It helps to improve the texture and the appearance of your skin. Helps with promote even skin tone. And like I said, the best thing about it is that it is water resistant, so you don't have to worry about damaging it while you're using it in the shower. It does take 4 AA batteries, but yeah, I love it. The pumice stone, I've only used it about once. It does make leave my skin feeling really soft. I use it for my feet. You can use it for any other rough areas on your body, but I definitely use it for my feet and leave my feet feeling smooth. Whenever I can't run to the salon, the nail salon or anything, I can use this to, touch up my skin, make sure it's nice, smooth, and not rough, But yeah, the body brush is the only one that I have not used as of yet, and I know it's just gonna make my body feel amazing because the facial brushes, makes my face feel amazing. And I'm going to show you guys how I use it today. I'm going to take off this makeup, and then I'm going to show you guys how I wash my face with the brush. Right, y'all, so I'm back. I got most of the makeup, or pretty much all of the makeup off of my face. All right, I don't use washcloths or face rags on my face. So for the purpose of this video, being that I'm not in the bathroom, I'm in my office, I'm just going to use a piece of paper towel to wet my face so I can clean it. And today I will be using the exfoliating brush first because my skin does need some exfoliation. What I'm going to do is I already wet this part, and then of course if you watched my black owned skincare video, you would know that my skincare products come from Butter Skincare. I'm just gonna place like a dime sized amount on my brush, and then I'm going to damp my face, being that I'm in my office and not in the bathroom. So I have the soap on my brush, and I'm going to turn it on. And I'm just going to go around my face. Just get some soap all over my face. As you can see, no matter how many wipes I use, I still have makeup on my face. So just know that when you clean your face with makeup wipes, it still leaves makeup residue on your face. So you definitely need to deep clean and exfoliate your face. Get all in between your nose, crevices, mouth area, chin, make sure you get under. And I like to go in circular motions on my face. Alright, I'm going to clean this off. And I'm going to put a little bit more facial cleanser. Water and wash this off some more. So I rinse the rest of the cleanser off of my face, and then I also rinse the brush. As you can see, cleans pretty well. You know, let that dry, air dry, and then I'm just gonna pat dry my face. That's how my skin looks with no moisturizer or anything on it. All right, so next for my skincare routine, I'm going to use my vitamin C serum. And I only use a little bit and just put a couple of drops. And you want to massage it into your face in a circular motion. You want to let that dry. Make sure to get under those eyes. Let it dry. And this is vitamin C. All right. And then I'm going to add my Cocoa Shea Revitalizing Cream. Not too much. Okay, I'm going to bed. And just massage that in as well. In an upright circular motion. Make sure you get your neck as well. And under your eyes. I do use my face massager, but tonight I'm just going to use my clean hands. All right, and that is my washed and moisturized face, washed with the Radiance Spin Care system. with the face wash exfoliating brush, and it has my face feeling amazing and clean. And definitely helping with acne. It's helping to pull out the dirt and oil from out of my skin, and it is helping to minimize my pores. I do suffer from larger pores, and when you get deep in within them pores, it does help to minimize the pores. So I would definitely recommend this skin care spin system. And like I said, if you want to purchase, I have a 70% off code. Just use my name, Tanasia, and you'll get 70% off your purchase. Leave me a comment below and let me know what skincare face brush you have tried, and would you go and order this, and tell me how you like it. And until the next video, guys, thank you for watching. Good night.